This is Dr. Sanchez from the Spinal Chiropractic in Gilbert, Arizona. I'm here with Dr. Gregory Johnson and Tristan. I'm here for training for 3 days, a training seminar, and I am going to adjust Tristan.
Sir,
Yeah.
this is my second ring dinger of the day. Dr. Rickert, excuse me, worked on me this morning. So Dr. Sanchez is gonna ring ding me today.
All right, let's take a look at you. Actually, you look pretty good, Tristan.
Well, yeah, after 7 years.
Right. Okay. Let's put you on the
Yes,
table.
sir. Show them how that's done, huh?
Definitely.
All right. Appreciate you saying I look good too. It's nice of you.
And we can't call Tristan doctor yet because he hasn't gotten his Texas license yet, but that's coming soon.
1
so
month
we call
from today, I
him
graduate.
Your future Houston chiropractor.
1 month from today is my graduation
Yeah,
date.
from Palmer College Chiropractic, the best and largest chiropractic college in the world.
Oh.
And you might want the pin.
Yep. Okay, I know you're sore, so.
No, you're good. I'd rather feel better in my spine than have a sore spot on my head. May even go one tighter on the
One
side.
tighter?
Yeah, just so I don't slip through it.
I thought about that.
Yeah.
It's less painful the
Go
tighter
with
they
that
are.
gut feeling. You're getting that gut feeling. Go with that.
Yeah, that's Nate talking. Watch your stance, feet.
Mm-hmm.
You got your feet way too close together, neatly. There you go, lean into it.
Nice. Good. I felt that again, that upper lumbar. That's
Okay.
good. Again, just leaning back into it. Your tension and speed and everything was really good there. Just working from that ground up.
They're getting it.
Yes, sir. Been better every
That
single
one felt
time.
better.
It's been better every single time. And that's what we want to see in a chiropractor.
Yep.
They're learning, taking all the tips that we're giving them in here. Dr.
Yep.
Johnson's giving them.
Tristan's gonna be a great teacher too, because he knows this stuff inside and out. In fact, our growth plans is probably 4 puts it down.
4.
If you push the memory button though, you already messed
I
up.
messed it up.
I'm pretty young. I can still.
I know how to
feel
reset it, so.
Yeah, let's get to work on the BioPhysics.
See, if you accidentally hit the memory key first, it just remembers where it's at.
Okay, so let's check your sacrum and
See,
your
four now
pelvis.
doesn't work, so this is how you set the
All right,
electronics.
this is a tiny bit right here, not much.
Bring it to
Like
the
1/8 inch.
position that you want it in for the number you want.
Okay. It stays short on the right side. Is that binding on the right?
4.
It's not too bad actually. I'd say maybe a 1 out of 10 on that right hand side. I can tell there's a difference, but it's not really tight.
Try this.
Two
Lift
goes
the
up
leg
a little
straight up.
higher. See, two goes a little
Okay.
higher for the legs, so
Right
you're a
leg.
taller individual.
Okay.
Yeah, see, it feels. I think they're probably about the same height, but it's tougher to get that right hand side to that same level.
That's how I learned this design. See, that's a little higher than the other one. And then
Do you need
here's
to
your
lower the
line.
table?
So, guys,
I'm sorry?
Do you need to lower the
Oh,
table?
yes, thank you.
Mhm.
Yes.
so they're big boys.
Great things about these Hill Lab tables.
Yeah.
ADA compliance, but then also they're able to adjust for the doc specific height as well.
Okay, we're gonna get left SI,
Big V.
right SI.
And then now watch this. Now I
Okay,
reset
center of the
back.
sacrum, Tristan.
Good line of drives.
I love the design. They did a really good job putting this together.
Okay,
And it never breaks down.
tissue slap,
You don't have to serve it.
Good. Keep that. Yeah.
L3.
Good.
I got another one coming.
You feel the difference in that? Those
Yeah.
are really good there.
Exactly like this one.
You're keeping that tissue slack out of there and you're thrusting through that.
You want me to
All
raise
that-
this?
If you want.
It's up to you. It's comfortable.
No worries. We can keep it down. It helps pre-stress all the thoracics
I'll
anyway.
be
So.
moving him in here, and then hopefully I'll be
Okay, you get your T-spine. You're doing great, Tristan.
When you introduce this to distant patients.
Very nice.
Noisy all the way up.
All the way up.
You just have to be prepared on the
Okay,
injured side.
and your cervical.
And your
Just a bit for you.
because they're not gonna want to do this 3 times for a long time, because you're
Okay,
gonna
we
feel better
try.
after 2-3 visits.
1, 2, 3, your C3.
Yeah, so you do is
Tissue
what you
slaps
want.
up to that.
If you feel like
Good.
introducing some of your more difficult patients,
Good.
maybe
Too
like
heavy?
disc herniations, or might be
C4.
one thing you're used to them. And then just kind of lean over.
All right.
Maybe
So
lean
you
off
turn
so
over.
you can push up.
Mark this piece up too.
That's what our guy in New York City did.
As you do that.
Steven, push on him. He was a heavy.
Is it not, is it
He
not
leaned
catch?
off all of it.
Every once in a while it does it. You have to kind of pull up and mess with the lever at the same time.
But he messed his wrist up.
Okay, zygomatic arch.
He had that surgery on his wrist.
Good.
That
Up and over is good.
His business guy.
I should need to keep my mouth shut so my jaw's not.
All right.
That pelvic piece is
His
popping up.
associate's not trained in it, so he's not doing it.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Steven's out, just rehabbing his wrist. Good.
All right. I'm gonna get your clavicle.
This,
ACR.
if you
AC
run
joints.
correctly, this will become your
Cervical.
solid attachment. And then that, truly that
Across the
attachment.
sternum.
Nothing but credit card, debit card. We don't even.
Hey, this is all neuroplastic for me too, because I'm
Okay.
still training with you guys.
All
I've been
right.
down here doing the seminar for 2.5 months now.
I'm not interested.
Nice.
That
Those
was
are
good.
really good.
Power, yeah.
Yep. I love those right there. Nice. I feel that all the way up into my low back.
Feel okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
It's all good.
Nice.
There you go.
Good. And see, I know a lot of people are looking for that crack noise. That's not the sign of a good adjustment.
Right.
We're trying to just stimulate those mechanoreceptors in the synovial joint. So I know you're not hearing all the satisfying cracks that you want, but he's still doing good adjustments with that high velocity, low
That's
amplitude
what
thrust.
he's training.
Good. Nice.
That's why I feel comfortable turning my patients.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's
Still
see
gotta
what
shoot
you
me,
look
huh?
like. Yep. Still gotta shoot you.
Wire. Losing too much weight.
I know y'all wait to see Tristan in his yoga pants.
Okay. We have a video coming soon for you.
You still got that sports bra, right?
I'll have to borrow one. Get one for my sister. Let me go on to, so you'll do
You got
that?
him in the mirror image.
Yep.
You do
Okay.
that.
So shoulders up and back.
All right.
Yeah, I think that one again.
There you go.
Yeah,
All right. You look great.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Appreciate
Good
you.
posture.
You have to take me to dinner for all these compliments, you know that, right? I'm just kidding. Well, Dr. Sanchez, thank you very much for working on me this afternoon.
Definitely.
How would you, again, I know Dr. Johnson's asked this a million times, but chiropractors need to hear these things. What do you think is the biggest misconception that you had coming into this office before that you've now kind of squashed with what you've learned in here?
I'm surprised at how much information that we got, how much research-backed information
Absolutely.
that we got in relation to the both tables, the BioPhysics and the ring dinger. It was awesome.
Shout out to Heidi Horvick at New
Yep,
Zealand
Heidi
Chiropractic
Horvick.
College,
Yep.
providing the best chiropractic science out there. So
And
Definitely.
Australian Spinal Research
And Australia.
Foundation, we're big supporters of both of them.
And
absolutely.
a shout out to Dr. Gregory Johnson
Oh,
for
thank
what he
you.
does.
And
Thank
tomorrow,
you.
I bet we're
There's
both
an
going to be
honor
ringing that
too.
bell because these guys are going to get us all the way down tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, this is your future Houston chiropractor, Tristan Wint, coming from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas.
And Dr. Tony Sanchez from the Spinal Chiropractic in Gilbert, Arizona.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay.